When we say we wanted to launch our website, that time we need a server. But with the help of server, it is very difficult to manage and launch a website. So this video is all about how to install Webmin on Ubuntu. Very first, Webmin is a modern web control panel which is alternative of cPanel. It's a browser-based interface that allows you to manage user, configure DNS and manage the settings for the common packages on the fly. And whereas in this video we are going to install and configure Webmin. Before moving further, we must have to know the basic requirements. Webmin can easily install on Red Hat, Debian, Ubuntu, CentOS, Alma Linux, Rocky Linux and Cloud Linux. So this video is all about Ubuntu. If you wanted to know other operating systems like Alma Linux, Rocky Linux, CentOS, Cloud Linux, then you can able to follow the second video which is given in the description, and also in that video we are explained how to launch your WordPress based website. So this video is all about Ubuntu. If you are looking for managed server, then that time you can able to consider dedicatedcore.com. Now we will start the installation. Before starting the installation, very first we will update our repositories. Hit enter. Once update process complete, we will edit a file called as source.list. In this file, we just need to add the one line at the bottom of the file. First edit, hit enter. Carefully paste this URL. Save the file. After that, we will add Webmin PGP key so that your system will trust new repository. Hit enter. And then again we will update the system. You can see that the repositories that we have added is now updating. Once done, we will start installation of Webmin. Hit enter. It will ask for the permission, say yes in capital Y. Wait to complete the installation. This might be a time-taking process, so wait for installation to be complete. We already created a series on cPanel, plus zPanel, Direct Admin and other corresponding control panels, so you can able to go our YouTube channel and learn from that. And if you think your business is most important and wanted to grow your business, so that time we will highly recommend you to outsource your support and servers from the trusted partners. In this case, you can able to choose Dedicated Core because we are expert in the server based and technology management. You can able to see on our website, we have already mentioned the various offers, best hardware and the servers. That includes support, managed or unmanaged. Now you can able to see that our installation process has been completed. After done this operation, now we will allow port number 10,000 because this is Webmin port number. Rules are updated successfully. After that, simply you can able to go to your browser and enter IP address :10,000. You can see we are on the interface. Enter root as a user and password as your SSH password. You can see here we are successfully logged into our Webmin panel. From now, how to install SSL certificate, how to add security, how to install WordPress, how to create your very first project, how to update the name servers and all, we will share you in the Alma Linux series. So you can able to go and watch that particular series. If it is not given in the description, you can able to go to our YouTube channel that is called as a Dedicated Core and learn from that. So hopefully we delivered what we promised, and if you need server or server management, in both cases we will be there for you and we will assign you a dedicated account manager, so they will assist you one-on-one for your business requirements.